Worshipful sir, I take pleasure in presenting Brother Sambalin, who has been appointed chaplain of this lodge.
Brother Sambalin, that holy book which adorns our sacred altar and the great light of masonry, and forever sheds its magnificent rays upon every lawful assemblage of free and accepted masons, teaches us from its life-giving precepts, invoke upon our labors the blessings of the divine being, with whose infinite goodness is to reveal and unfolds to us, and guide us by its lessons of wisdom and truth. And you will be faithfully fulfill your important trust. It is your duty to perform these solemn services, which we should constantly render to our great Creator, and reverently to allure to brighter worlds and lead the way. And thus, by elevating our thoughts, strengthening our virtues, and purifying our minds, prepare us for admission into the society of the blessed and the realm of life and light eternal. It is fitting that an emblem of the sacred volume should be the jewel of your office, and with it you will now be invested. You will now take your proper place.